Yeah, man. So my car in Arizona now, and can't wait to get my other two cars out here. But man, finding a good mechanic with integrity is hard these days. And whenever you have multiple people touching your car, things happen. I've had some great mechanics touch my car, and then I've had some shitty mechanics. But it's a lesson to be learned when you're building a car, is finding that person who you can trust so that your car doesn't have to go to multiple shops. If you guys have any questions about building cars, you want to talk about what to look for when you're looking for a great mechanic or paint body guy, holler at me, man. BigHerc916.com. Shoot me a message. Would love to talk to you guys about the car stuff. And also, if you're in the Arizona area and you're into cars, I would love to collaborate with you to do some car videos. So, yeah. It's a lot of stress and anxiety and just, headaches when you're trying to get a car right, especially to make it road worthy. Excuse my tongue twister there. Road worthy. And for me, my cars have to be able to make it from Arizona to LA because I do a lot of events in LA. So support, stay tuned, and holla back, man. So the update on the 928 wig splitter Porsche is they got the hoses ran for the trans cooler up underneath here. So the trans cooler now is in the front, as you can see right there. So hopefully that solves that problem. And then they're wrapping part of the exhaust down here so that it doesn't heat up underneath the floorboards. So they got a couple more little spots they got to wrap up. And then you see where they ran the hoses right here for the trans. They got the wrap on the exhaust where it needs to be. And man, the last thing is they have to figure out my blinker situation because my blinkers aren't working. So we got the blinkers that need to be dealt with, and there's still a battery draw. So I'm hoping the fuse panel solves that and we can figure out what is actually causing the draw to the battery. But the pain in the ass is the interior, the way it's set up, is you can't really get to the wiring back there unless you pop that thing off. So man, I'm telling you, it's just one thing after the other, man. I'm just trying to get this car back on the road and enjoy it. So got to fix my blinkers, got to fix the backup lights, and then do a test drive and then get the draw fixed. And that should be a wrap. Got the brakes on, the new brake pads, because the brake pads that were on there before weren't the right ones. So that's done. So yeah, man, when you build a car and you can't really sit there and watch every little step of it, there's always little things, especially when the car's been to multiple mechanics. This car has been to a bunch of different mechanics, and man, everybody does something different. So you guys bear with me, and you're on the journey with me on this 928, man. I mean, shit. I don't know, man. I took on this, and it's really been a lot of work, and I probably could have got like a used Ferrari for what I put into this car. But it is what it is, and these are the crazy things car guys do. So subscribe, share the channel, represent Big Herc 916 Muscleup Car Lifestyle. Go to BigHerc916.com and purchase you a bar of soap, one of the books I've written, a hat, a beanie, a t-shirt, tank top, or some detail spray for your car.